The challenge in this appeal is to impugn judgment of 21 September 17 wide, which appellant has been convicted full stop. 3, 2, 1. The challenge in this appeal is to impugn judgment of 21 September 2017 wide, which appellant has been convicted for the offence under section 392 of I.P.C. read with section 397 of I.P.C. and to order of 22 November 2017 wide, which appellant has been sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 7 years with fine of rupees 5,000, and in default of payment to of fine, trial court has directed that appellant shall undergo simple imprisonment for 15 days for the aforesaid offences. Full stop. The fact emerging from impugned judgment as under the paragraph the precaution case is that ASI Karan loads DD number 5 with P.S. Dwarka South to the effect that at Power House red light the auto driver informed that someone tried to snatch his mobile phone, and on his identification the culprit was apprehended and the mobile phone and knife was recovered from his fashion possession. Full stop. The said DD was marked due to H.C. Rakesh, who along with Rajesh Kumar reached the spot where complaint was present, who informed that one boy at that point of knife had snatched his mobile phone and was apprehended by his with the help of other auto drivers, and that PCR officials had taken that boy to the police post. Thereafter, the complaint was taken to the police station by H.C. Rajesh Kumar, and his statement was recorded to the effect that on that day 10/2/2014 at about 3:30 am he was present along with his auto bringing registration number DL5RL9608, opposite Powerhouse Sector 3, Dwarka, New Delhi. One boy came to him and asked for him mobile phone to make a call. When complaint told him that there was no balance in his phone, the boy pulled him outside from the auto and took him near the tree behind the auto and then took out a long knife from his waist and threatened to kill him. He snatched his mobile phone, bringing number XXX complaint raised alarm. The other auto driver of nearby reached the spot and apprehended the boy, namely Amar Babu. He was handed over along with knife and mobile phone to the officials of PCR who passed through that place. On the basis of the aforesaid statement of Rahul, case FIR number 61/16 was registered under section 394/411 IPC with P.S. Dwarka South. Paragraph. Apart from evidence of complaint PW1 and public witness PW5, there is other evidence on record on which trial court has replied upon to convict appellant accused while discarding his version of false implication. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that in persons to issuance of production warrants, appellant was produced in custody before the court and he had interacted with appellant at the outset. Learned counsel for appellant submits that public witness PW5 is not an eye witness and neither from his evidence nor from the evidence of complaint PW1 ingredient of section 397 of IPC are attracted as it is not in complaint's evidence that the knife was so to complaints prior to robbing him of his mobile phone. Full stop. Paragraph.